What do I have in here? A little order from Melt Cosmetics. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Shay. And if you want to see what I have in this box from Melt Cosmetics, stick around. So yes, I had a little order from Melt Cosmetics and it finally arrived a few days ago. I ordered the collab with Bailey Sarian Fatally Yours 2 collection. Now, I didn't order everything, but I ordered the main thing, which is the palette. And I ordered the Scarlet Red eyeliner. And I ordered 2 lippies. I ordered CIRCE and LILITH. The palette. Now I did this look today with the palette. It's the first time ever using it. And I love the look that I came. And I only used like 3 or 4 of the shadows. You have Noir, which is like almost black. I'd say it's more like a gray black. You have Smoke, that's a medium to light gray. You have Glisten, which is like a sparkly white silver. You have Honey, which is sparkly gold. You have Buff, which is a beautiful taupe brown. You have Crimson, which is incredibly amazing saturated red. You have Fiery, which is like a beautiful shimmery, dazzling like red. And then you have Kitty, which is like a gray white flesh tone. The packaging is beautiful. It's like spongy, soft, beautiful patent leather, like a burgundy, blood red, brown color, but it's more burgundy than brown. And that's the Melt and Bailey Sarian Fatally Yours 2. I never got the Fatally Yours first one, and I regret it. You can't get it anywhere now. I wish that I wish they would bring it back for like a special limited edition, but I'm happy that I bought this. And I really love red tones and grays, so this was right up my alley. So I love Melt eyeliners, and I have a few of those. One of my favorites of theirs that I have is called Burnish, and it's almost like this color. It's called, and I bought that like a year or 2 ago, and so this is like, I haven't even opened this yet, so this is like very bright red. I hope it's more of a saturated, darker red. Oh God, look at that. I didn't use it today, and if you'd like to see a look using this eyeliner, just let me know below. But I can't wait to use it. Here's the 2 lipstick. I haven't used them yet. So first things first, I love a gray nude lipstick. And this is Lilith, which is the most amazing name. Magnetic lid. Are you ready? I love the print on the imprint. It's like fishnet stockings. And it has her initials, Bailey Sarian, at the bottom. Love, love it. So there you have is Lilith. Of course, I don't have it on today, but this look will look amazing, though. Maybe I will try it out by the end of the video. Second one is CIRCE. same magnetic lid. And this is like a nude off peachy pink. And I love the way they smell. I have a lot of older melt lipsticks when they first became a brand years and years and years, like a decade ago. And clearly expired by now. But I haven't really bought many lipsticks since then because I bought like 10 back then. But these are the first two that I've bought recently. So I'm really excited to try these. So there was a lot more to the collection, as you can see right here. And I love the handbag and the chained cuff. I think it's really cool. I wish there was a way to make it like a crossbody, because I might have gotten it by that. I might have gotten it then because I like wearing crossbodies. But maybe I'll get it some other day. But it wasn't something that interests me at the moment. I got what I thought would definitely interest me. So right now I'm going to switch over and show you how I got this eyeshadow look. So today for my eyes, I'm going to be trying out the new Fatally Yours 2 by Melt Cosmetics and Bailey Sarian. And I love it. I didn't order the full collection. I ordered the palette, 2 lipsticks, and the red eyeliner. So this is quite beautiful. So I do like grays and reds and taupes. I'm not sure about the gold in the middle. I probably won't ever use that. These are magnetized, so I may replace it in the future, replace it with a shade that I prefer. But I'm going to be using, I'm not sure, I think I'm going to be doing I don't know, should I do a red look or should I do a gray look? I think I'm going to do a red look. So I'm starting off with the shade Buff, right there. And it's like a blending shade. It's a light brown taupe. Very cool toned. I guess it pulls a little purple. I love that. I love cool tone browns. This is great for, and it builds up. You could just really pack it on. But that's about as deep as it gets. It comes, there is a black in there, and I could use the black to make it even deeper. Let's try some of the red here. I'll be using the tone Crimson. A lot of people don't like red eyeshadows, but I love them. I think, I don't know, it's one of my favorite looks. I like the purples, I like reds, I like mauves, things like that. I'm not getting any fallout at this point. Wow, that mixed with the brown just gives it like a maroon look. But I'm sure if you wanted it more bold red, I wouldn't use as much as, I wouldn't use the brown transition. I would just use all red. And it would be brighter. But today where it's a little bit more of a muted red. but the pigmentation, and it's so smooth, but the pigmentation is wonderful. So I need to have some kind of shimmer. I'm thinking about Fiery. It's the red shimmer that's right there. I'm definitely not using the gold or the silver in this look. But this, I'm going to try it. If I want it a little bit deeper, I'm not sure how this is going to apply, but depending. But let's hope that it applies the way the way I envision it. Wow, that's intense. A lot more than I thought, and it looks really cool. I'm going to do the same on this side, and I'll be right back. Now I had some fallout from the shimmery red Fiery shade. I had to just correct that. So be very careful. If you could do your eyes first, which apparently I did not, but if you really want to play it safe, do your eyes first. That way, you have nothing to worry about. But I didn't get fallout on this side. I just got on this side because I wasn't as careful. I was more careful on this side, and there wasn't any fallout. So if you're extra careful, you can also probably do it with after your foundation. But so far so good. I'm using the Black Shadow Noir, and I'm just tracing my where I'm going to put my wing eyeliner with my gel liner, but I'm first tracing it out with this Black Shadow, but it looks really good. I'm going to tightline my eyes and do my wing with my favorite black gel eyeliner, and I'll be right back. Okay, I finished my eyes. I still got to try this new mascara that I just bought, and I have my eyes tight lined and my favorite wing liner look. This look is very smoky, very dark, very rock and roll, very goth too, very metal, so very me. If you're not into the dark smoky eye, you don't have to put so much on the bottom, but it kind of turned out that way, and I like it. And I used the same two shadows for the under eye. I used Buff and Crimson, so like I used a combination of both, and it looks pretty good. I wish I had some concert to go to tonight, or some goth rave. So, I'm not sure if I'm going to put something in the corner, maybe a little bit of the silver that's there, but let's try that now. The silver glisten. It's okay. Like I said, the silver doesn't really go with the whole red tone, and I don't think the gold does either. So, I'd want like a neutral kind of look. So that was the few items that I received from Mel Cosmetics, and their collaboration with Bailey Sarian. I'm so happy to have these. I'm super happy with the eye look that came out, and I can't wait to use the other products that I bought, especially the lippies and the eyeliner. So if you want to see anything else from this collection, just comment below and let me know, and I'll see what I can do. But for now, if you like my content, you like what I do, don't forget to like and subscribe and punch the notification bell and comment below. Until then, I'll catch you later.